finally made it. It's only taken about an hour now. I had to go via this Braintree and Old Key West and here. At least I'm here now. So the first rides I'm going to are Crusher and Gusher and the new Misadventure Falls. Well, new to me, Misadventure Falls a couple of years ago. So we'll ride that as well. It was closed when we came in December, just for accidents or something. So I look forward to riding that one. Also, Crusher and Gusher, one of the best rides in the park. Full stop, ow. Let's go! We ride Crush and Gusher from there. Okay. I'm going to go and do storm slides now. I don't think I've ever done storm slides, but we'll give it a try. It says it's only got a 5-minute wait, so that is always a bonus if it's a short wait. Oh, Come up and down, jeez. Oh. Crikey, can they just put a nice simple flat queue, not a upsy downy one. Oh. Up over a bridge now. It takes 5 minutes to walk this. Let's do it. I won't do some at Plummet, but I'll do this one. Oh. Maybe. So this one is Mayday Falls. Oh, bit slippy there. This is a 5-story plunge down, straight down basically. I don't usually do this type of slides, but let's do it. I'll do it for the vlog. That was fast, and that hurt my back. I'm not going on that one again. Ow. Did it for the vlog, did it for you guys. Cheers, thank you. This is a bit slow. We almost got here. We're going to bit speed up now. Whoa. Welcome to speed. Whoa. So we'll go for Mayday Falls now, since that didn't have a very long way. This way. Forward, backwards, forward, slides. That first one wasn't worth the 10-minute wait. The second one was pretty good though.